So, this is like Divisory. Ito naman yung pagkain.
Hey,
Colorful?
nice.
Nice na ayos.
小打包你解，乜間？
Iba-iba kasi yung flavor. I think this is mango. Sana hindi yung... Hulaan eh. Pwede natin yung lang. Sobrang arte lang talaga. So hot, guys. Our first meal. Isang pirasong sa first MRT. Kasi lagi kaming nag-i-in-drive. Yeah. Drive namin na. Well, ito 1 point something kaya. So, we're waiting for the train. Mainit. Mainit ang MRT nila. Kaya pa. Okay, pauwi na kaming Taft. Dito kami sa Beautiful Station. Dito Cruz.
Am I doing enough? Or am I
So, saan tayo? Diretso? Parang maganda dyan sa bridge. Hindi na pa kami naglalakad sa mga bansang pinupuntahan namin. Hindi siya nakaka-fresh.
to do better? You shoulda, coulda, woulda, probably wanna let me go. And you should
Dahil mali yung napuntahan namin. Ay, magawa kami pabalik. At para magandang experience namin, inisip kami. Yes, Tisa Drive! Pero nag-walk kami. So, ang side quest namin for today ay lakarin ng buong Kuala Lumpur. Parang yung pangalan ko. Parang kaming nasa gilid ng EDSA. Okay, we have arrived and here's our view.
never do. Please, don't take it personal. Don't take it personal, darling, like I know you will. It's a shame, and lately you've been feeling so good. Forget my future, never pull out.
Finally, after minutes of walking, we're here.
Hide out somewhere. Mobbing through poppy fields, dodging evil witches. These houses keep dropping everywhere. Promise to get a little
Okay, based on your reaction,
older. Yes,
parang hindi masarap.
I know you're sick of waiting. To do better, you shoulda, coulda, woulda, probably wanna let me go, and you should, 'cause
Nagpapabasa na kami sa ulan. Tanggap na namin. Tanggap na. Dahil di kami natuloy sa street food. Dito na lang. Okay na ako. Masaya na ako dito.
2 hours later.
Salamat po sa ating sponsor. Makakauwi na po kami. Pero sobra. Wala na kasi. Grabe. Wala kaming 150. Sino ka man? Wala kaming 150. Pero alam mo na kung sino ka. Hindi kami nagaganito sa Pilipinas. Ready na kami. Wait. dami yung grabe yung pasasalamat namin. Tatlo yung videos. Nagpapasalamat kami. Wala kaming 150 pesos. Let's go! So, kung kailan may raincoat kami, at ready na. Wala na ulan. Lumabas mo tayo 7-Eleven naka-raincoat. Hindi, umuulan pa konti. Okay. Breakfast shopping.
Charge.
No. Dutch lady. Chocolate flavored milk. That's sweet. What the heck? Ay! Monkeys everywhere. Shoot pa rin tayo. Akit no, shoot pa nakalagay. The monkey. We have a house here. Kasi nga, dito. Choose your battle. Birds or monkeys? Birds na lang kaysa monkeys. Lumilipad. Ang baba ng lipad nila.
Parang masyado silang friendly sa tao, hindi ako friendly sa kanila.
Lumapit ka pa, ha? Bird lover? Bird lover ka ba? Grabe, she loves birds.
Don't love birds.
They're scary. See, oh, di ba scary? Sila yung shoes nila dito. Buti walang kumukuha.
I dare you.
Kung sa Pinas, uy, ang daming lumilip. We're here! We're here! Batu Cave, Malaysia. Guys, seem content? Break time! Kanina wini-wish namin umulan. Tapos ngayon,
Masyado kaming delay.
yes. Parang kailangan dito naka-sunblock. So, this is where we're gonna go. We're gonna go hiking.
Hiking this rainbow stairs.
Okay, we're not allowed to go out kasi bawal daw yung suot namin on. That's so sad.
Really?
Sad? I'm so happy. Hindi kami makakaakyat. Grabe. Ito pa naman yung nilalook forward
Gusto ko
namin.
umakyat eh.
Ito pa naman yung nilalook forward namin, yung hike namin hanggang sa dulo.
Pakita ko kasi yung backless mo.
Hindi siya backless, it's true. Ay! Bye guys, see you on the next vlog. Okay, we're gonna eat lunch. Thanks to Tita Iva. You're the best. Tita, thank you so much for this opportunity. Kanina sabi ni Ashley, kakain sana tayo pero sira. Sabi ko sira. Ba't sira?
Hindi niya ako narinig ko.
Yun pala, sira. Kasi dinala mo ako
Kaya
sa
pala-
Oriental Coffee. Kasi sabi ko
Kaya
sira.
pala sabi mo, sige check natin yung Kaya sabi ko, check natin yung Oriental Coffee kasi hindi ko po makita yung siray. Siray, hindi siray. Is it here?
Oh, it's here.
I'm on your way right now. Yeah. I'm on your vibe now. You got me on your
It's so hot! Palili Towers! Parang so shy. kami sa araw. Wala kaming water. So, sobrang pagtitipid namin, hindi kami makabiling water. Grabe na to, please.
Bibili na lang kami ng
Sa lugo. Anong kanta yun?
So we got Milo Ice.
Kailangan na ng Milo. Milo everyday. To beat the energy gap. Ang dami sinabi. Help beat energy gap with Milo Ice.
Alam niyo, binabagalin ko lang uminom kasi mabagal sa siya sa uminom.
Hoy! Mabagal lang kumain, pero mabilis na uminom.
Pero sa totoo lang, mabilis talaga ako uminom.
Here at call this the Lanalore Street Food.
Có, đấy em nói luôn mà.
Durian, durian. Durian everywhere. So we ordered chicken wings and seafood fried. That's it.
That's it, guys.
That's it for
Ito daw
tonight.
yung pang one serving lang.
Walang spoon and fork, so wala rin kami alcohol. I don't know how.
So don't judge us. If nagkamay na kami.
Kahit naman. Thank you! Hey, ay! Ano yung binigay?
Matanda na kasi.
Galing ka mag-chopsticks, di ba? Oh, serious. It's yummy! So, this is how I eat fried rice. Tinatanggal-ulat ng sahog.
Tagal niya eh. Pumo na ako.
Sarap.
Wala rin tissue. Paano ako?
Try the Korean flaming marshmallow ice cream. So for our last night, we're gonna drink to drink the night away. Hala, ito sinasabi lyrics. So, dito na kami sa poblasyon. This is the nightlife in Kuala Lumpur.
Gusto ko sa gitna.
So, I don't know where we're gonna go. Maybe the whiskey bar.
Oh, I love the air.
Oh, the air.
It's giving.
Yes, yes. Ay. Ito na, nararamdaman.
Ito na, parang dito na. Ayoko, may ganyan.
Guys, pumunta kami dito sa park para mag-picture sa Petronas. Kasi wala pa kaming picture ng Petronas at night. Pero ayan yung Petronas ngayon. Walang ilaw. Ano gagawin natin ngayon? Nandito kami sa gitna ng... Hindi namin alam kung saan. Akala ko 24 hours yung ilaw. So, this is how we ended our night. Our last night. Yes! And wala kaming picture sa Petronas na gabi. Ayun o. Wala na. Goodbye. Good night. Literal na one-piece chicken. Ano yan? Chicken!
Regular lang. Kala ko, hindi ko man nag-try ng ibang flavor.
No, it's all spicy. So, outfit niya para siya magja-jogging talaga. Kasi plinano niya talagang mag-jogging dahil hindi naman siya nagiging.
Hindi ko kaya.
Yung 10 a.m. nagiging 11.
Our favorite drink is
Milo. Wow. Malaki yung chicken nila. This is sad. Wala silang gravy kung green cheese. Kainin na siya ng ganito. Pinigili ko lang. Oh. Sarap sana sa yeah, sabi ng nanay ko, yung ko dati. Yung chili sauce, pasalubong sa lolo ko.